If you are serious about earning more money, then you're in the right place. There are over 100 million adult Americans that can benefit from our proven system. Here's a few reasons why. Almost half of adults in America don't have $5,000 in the bank saved for emergencies. Over half of the adults in America have virtually no retirement savings. Billionaire Warren Buffett once said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you're dead. It's sad but true. Most adults are buried in debt after having spent their entire adult lives living paycheck to paycheck, depending only on their job for income, and for two-thirds of adults, this is proven not to be enough. So what are you to do? We have a solution for the average person. It's called American Bill Money, also known as ABM. ABM was started in 2003 and was created to provide ambitious adult Americans with a simple system to produce an ongoing residual income from the comfort of their home without having to speak to anyone or do anything crazy. Residual income is when you get paid over and over again for something you did one time. Our opportunity is designed to be as simple and as profitable as anything could possibly be. In fact, all you have to do is be disciplined enough to remain an active customer of ABM and distribute and or mail our beautiful full-color postcards in your spare time and follow our tips and suggestions. Our time-tested, proven postcard system does all the telling and selling for you, and our staff answers any of the questions people have, and we take orders for you 24/7. Whenever one of your postcards creates a new customer, you are paid an incredible 60% commission residually, and with just 2 of these referrals, your cost to be a customer is covered and you are in profit, making your purchase essentially free. You could become a customer of American Bill Money one of 3 ways. You could pay $125 monthly and cancel at any time, and postcards are a separate purchase. Or you can prepay once every 6 months for $750 and you'll receive 1,000 postcards for free. Or if you're able, you can prepay once every 12 months for $1,500 and you'll get 2,500 postcards for free. Each month you'll receive 150 fresh names and addresses of income opportunity seekers and buyers on peel and stick labels. You can use these leads to promote ABM or any other opportunity now and in the future. Additional leads are available for a nominal fee. You'll be able to order our top-of-the-line postcards printed with your ID number on them. If you received a postcard and you're listening to this message, you just proved that our postcards work. We handle all your prospects' questions and close the sales for you. We use a unique 3-up pay plan that enables you to receive commissions infinitely wide from your own efforts and infinitely deep from other people's efforts. Everyone your postcard refers that pays monthly, you will earn a $75 commission every month residually. These commissions are paid with company checks every Friday. Everyone your postcards refer that chooses the 6-month prepay earns you a $450 commission every 6 months. And everyone your postcards refer that chooses the 12-month prepay earns you a $900 commission every 12 months. The prepay commissions are paid to you in money orders. You could get paid on 6 and 12-month prepays even if you're only paying month to month. There are no limits to the amount of money you can earn with ABM. We have paid millions of dollars in commissions since 2003, and we are ready, willing, and able to help you as well. If you have internet access, please watch our video presentation on our website, abminfo.com, where you may also get started. You are encouraged to call us at any time with any questions at our office number, 757-966-1790. If you don't have any questions and you would like to get started, you can sign up over the phone 24 hours a day by calling our live order line at 757-455-3551. Don't procrastinate. Take action now and join America's #1 residual income system today. We look forward to helping you succeed.